If undisturbed, ammo depots can supply Russian troops with thousands of shells each day. As the Russians' confidence in their especially ill-conceived operation builds, they are oblivious to what lurks nearby. The Russians are bewildered. Some have never even seen a GMLRS before. Even as the full horror unfolds, there is great confusion about just what is going on. And that was just the first attack. 16 HIMARS now live on the Ukrainian front line. And Russian troops react differently to HIMARS than other systems. Even the generals seem unsure of how much danger they're in. But the Russian's evolutionary desire for new laundry machines overcomes any fear he may have. The HIMARS target the depots with surprising ease, virtually turning the depots into assembly lines for new larders. Each evening, the group waits patiently for the time to strike. HIMARS o'clock.